Hey, girl. I was choked. Okay, so yesterday I put some Flexi rods in my hair for the very first time. So we're gonna take them out together. I'll go to the front. I'm actually kind of nervous. I don't even know where to start. Like, do you start in the front or in the back? I don't know. Look, I didn't wrap my hair. We're just gonna see what happens. Okay. That's a pretty thick curl. That's a thick curl right there. Okay. See? I like legit didn't know how to do this. I should have watched the video. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So when I wrapped it up yesterday, I put like my little spray water treatment on it and some spritz. Cause I don't know. I have no idea really, honestly. I just feel like I see people do that. So I did it. Okay. I'm feeling very James Brown with this. Like, I know I have to brush it out, but it's very much giving a James Brown. Okay. 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 What do I do from here? Like, if I'm in the middle of filming this, then whose video do I go watch to fix this so that I can finish this video? But look, I don't know what I'm doing. So there's that. There's that. What do I do from here? Suggestions, because I don't know. It's not that I don't like the curls. It's just that I'm trying to be nice to myself. Okay.